Remember, people, always put a bird on something.
But you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put birds on things.
Spruce it up. Make it pretty. Thank you.
Put a bird on it. Putting a bird on this teapot. It's a bird. Bet it's flying all over the beach.
What a sad little
The
tweet
bitch
bag.
is flying
I know.
over the
I'll
beach.
put a bird on it. It's sad before I did it. Not as a bird. It's flying. It's free.
Put this bird right on this card.
So pretty.
You like that, ma'am? Fantastic.
Putting a bird on toast.
Put a bird on it. Look at this. I just throw this bird right onto the pillow.
Oh, you missed the side.
What are you doing? What's your fingernail?
What about the bird?
Am I bleeding? Ma'am, am I bleeding?
No, you're fine. Stop looking at her. She's fine.
I know she's fine. I'm not.
Put a
bird
on
it.
I'm painting a bird on a bird.
My eyes. Straight up got dust right in my eyes. Just paint the bird or whatever it is you need to do, and then don't blow on things.
Put a bird on it. Birds everywhere. And now you can open for business.
Bye.
Please go away. I'm allergic. I'm allergic.
Bye. Grand finale. Ah!
Oh, gross.
Portlandia. This is Portland, people.